One of the key purposes of the Myers Briggs personality type indicator is to evaluate the characteristics of each individual at work. The assessment determines the proper career choices for everyone and their preferred working methods. As an instrumental HR tool in the employment space, we should discuss how ISTPs could use their mechanical function to make high salaries. Here are the top 7 ISTP careers with high-paying salaries. Number 7. Aerospace engineers. Nothing intrigues the ISTP past a challenge into the future. They are valuable to the teams who explore space because of their focus, drive, and accuracy. These engineers design, build, and review the state of aircraft. The systematic side of ISTPs like that this job is tied to national security, and they will lead due process and enough training to embark on solo projects fully. That helps them prove their worth to all who are watching. They are ambitious and like to discover new things, so being directly linked to space exploration strides is a huge motivation for aerospace engineers. Number 6. Computer hardware engineers. Hardware engineers design computers and their components. We all know how valuable computers are to the human experience now. Hardware engineers and software developers work in teams to ensure that the produced computer can run on software. The field is understaffed, and a high demand has made it one of the most profitable career paths. Commercializing a finished product through the proper evaluation and review processes, as confirmed by ISTPs, leaves no room for uncertainty. You can trust that they did an excellent job on the compliance. Number 5. Electrical and electronics engineers. ISTPs are the epitome of masterminds with great hands. They can work with any machine and operate machines they have never seen before. This is what makes them the best at creating electrical equipment. Designing, developing, testing, and upgrading all electrical devices could come easily for the ISTP. They are also good with communication systems and electronic device components. They will get the chance to breathe life into new devices that will make life easier for everyone and improve the quality of life for society. Their analytical skills and creative comes in handy with electrical and electronic engineering. Number 4. Computer systems analyst. A computer systems analyst keeps track of an organization's multiple computers and ensures their well-being. The many computers that organizations use need to be linked and properly serviced. They are tasked to create a healthy network system and manage it. Systems analysts also detect the problems and inefficiencies of the network, security risks, and work to solve them. ISTPs use their problem-solving skills and in-depth knowledge of everything when they are in this position. ISTPs are also curious, and so working in a world where the things that could go wrong are endless is the best remedy for their adventure-starved life. Number 3. Surveyor. ISTPs are known for their detail-oriented nature. They are also trusted with compliance and a hands-on approach to work. Being a building inspector or surveyor demands an on-field trip for each project. That could contribute to the high-adventure drive of ISTPs. The surveyor corresponds to building codes, safety compliance, regulations, and building plans. They'd also address issues with any of these back at the office. This potential hands-on work code makes this career path more exciting for the ISTP. Studying to become a surveyor is also very outdoorsy and will not include the boring classroom structure that ISTPs do not appreciate. Number 2. Emergency management directors. If ISTPs were paid to think about tragedies before they occurred, they would be fulfilled and excellent at their jobs. Not that ISTPs will ever take a job and not be the best at it. Being an emergency management director means you anticipate risk, design solutions, and lead the team to implement those solutions. These jobs are found in high-ranking organizations like NGOs, government agencies, and multinational private companies. ISTPs are natural-born problem solvers, so being called upon to fix a mess is one of the highs they can experience. They will always feel useful and can get creative with ideas. Number 1. Economist. Economists are highly paid people who collect data and research economic issues. They also produce forecasts for future economic situations and produce industry reports that government and the private sector rely on to make budgets. That career path will be ideal for an ISTP who enjoys having the independence to produce high-quality finished work. They enjoy breaking information down and helping give proper meaning to it. They are also at liberty to remodel mathematical and statistical techniques. Their logical and solutions-oriented functions will be grateful for a job in economics, which is a catch for making big money. Some of the worst career matches for ISTP are author, clergy, and customer services. Authorship has autonomy and independence, but it does not solve any problems, and it can also get repetitive and not thrilling. Clergy and customer services will cross the various boundaries of an ISTP introversion, and they will have to interact and stay within character forever. What low-paying jobs do you consider the best for ISTPs? What is your work relationship with ISTPs? Please share with us in the comments.